After cleaning, the bearings should be covered with a coating of light oil to protect against rusting, if they are not to be inspected immediately. After cleaning the bearing, visually inspect it for areas that may require repair. The rollers can be inspected by rotating the cage or by turning the individual rollers. The pin-type cages on most of the large bearing cones have 1 or 2 pins which are not welded in place. These threaded pins can be removed by prying out the locking wire and screwing the pin out. Drawings of the socket to be used to remove the pin are available from your Timken company representative. Now the roller can be removed in order to inspect the cone outside diameter or rolling surface. Removing rollers permits access to the cone outside diameter for minor repair. On the smaller cones with stamped type cages, there is no removable roller. Repair work on these smaller cones is usually too costly in relation to a new cone assembly, which can be used in the repair of the 4-row bearing. If small spalls or surface breakouts are found on the cone outside diameter or rollers, minor repairs can often be made by grinding out the loose metal and smoothing out the edges of the spalled area. The cone and rollers are the rotating bearing parts in a roll neck application, and all areas of their outside diameters will carry part of the rolling load sometime during each revolution of the bearing. Large spalled areas on the cone outside diameter will not be able to support the rollers under load. Consequently, repair of these large areas is questionable. Spalls that might develop from long life or abnormal service, which exceed 25 to 30% of the width of the cone raceway, are usually not considered repairable. The locking wires removed should be replaced before reassembling the bearing.